In this session, let us learn about HTML table cell padding and spacing. HTML tables can adjust the padding inside the cells and also space between the cells. HTML table cell padding. Cell padding is the space between the cell edges and the cell content. By default, the padding is set to 0. To add padding on table cells, use the CSS padding property. See the code and result. Now we are using CSS property padding 15% here, THTD. See, by writing and executing this code, try to change the padding to 5 pixels. See here down, strong. Now writing this code, the result returns this. Cell padding specifies the space between the cell content and its border. First name, last name, Deepanvi Cherry 18. Try to change the padding to 5 pixels. Let us do next. To adding only above the content, use the padding top property. And the other sides with the padding bottom, padding left and padding right properties. See here, now we are using padding top 10 pixels, padding bottom 20 pixels, padding left 30 pixels, padding height 40 pixels. By writing and execute this code, the result returns this. See here, padding top, bottom, left, right. We can specify different padding for all 4 sides of the cell content. HTML table cell spacing. Cell spacing is the space between each cells. By default, space is set to 2 pixels. To change the space between table cells, use the CSS border space property on the table element. See, now we are using border spacing 30 pixels. See, by cell spacing, change the space between the cells with the border spacing property. See, by writing and executing this code, the result returns this. Change the space between the cells with the border spacing property. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 28, cell padding and spacing. In next video, let us learn about another topic, table, Colspan and Rowspan.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.